guys, it's Niki Jabbour for Troy Build Canada, and today I'm going to share with you some of my best tips for successful seed starting. Let's go! Tip number one, don't plant your seeds too deeply. This is a common rookie mistake and one that I made myself many times when I was first starting out with seed starting. So take a look at your seeds. These tomato seeds, for example, are pretty small. So if I'm going to plant them deeply, like a centimeter or even an inch deep in my potting mix, they're going to either take a long time to kind of come to the surface and emerge, or they're never going to, which is the more likely scenario there. So you plant the seeds about twice the depth as their diameter. So these, tomato seeds in my fingers here are quite small, so you just plant them a couple of millimeters deep. That's enough. You don't have to plant them any deeper. So again, tip one, don't plant too deeply. Tip two, give your plants enough light. Most seedlings are going to need 16 to 18 hours of light per day to grow stocky and strong and healthy. If you're giving them less light, like using a sunny windowsill in early spring when we still don't have a whole lot of day length, they're going to grow leggy and tall and they can flop over. So for me, I use inexpensive fluorescent grow lights in my basement, and I leave them on for 16 to 18 hours every day, and I use a timer to turn them on and off because I don't remember. So it's very easy to do, but make sure you provide adequate light for your seedlings. Tip three, cover up. Once you've sown your seeds in your flats, your trays, your pots, cover them with a piece of clear plastic wrap. This will hold humidity and moisture in and help speed up germination. If you don't cover them, the soil surface can dry out rather quickly, and if your seeds themselves dry out as they're beginning to germinate, well, that can damage or kill the little seedling. So using a piece of plastic wrap is a quick way to maintain humidity. Now that said, once you see green and your seeds have sprouted, remove the plastic wrap so air can flow. I also reuse these plastic wrap many times on different trays of seedlings, so don't toss it once you're done with one tray. Reuse it time and again so you don't waste plastic. Tip four, maintain good airflow. Most of my seeds are started in my basement, which is cool, and the air doesn't circulate very well in that room. So I keep a small oscillating fan turned on just to make sure the air can circulate around my seedlings. And that'll help prevent lots of different issues like damping off, which is a fungal problem where your seedlings flop over and die. So keeping air circulating in the room when you're growing seedlings is always a good idea. Tip five, keep your grow lights close to your seedlings. I have my grow lights, my fluorescent grow lights, hung on chains so that I can adjust them as required. I want to have those light fixtures about 2 inches above my seedlings at all times. Otherwise, if they're too far away, your plants aren't going to get enough light and they're going to stretch up and grow leggy and not produce strong, stocky, healthy seedlings. So keep your grow lights close to your plants to encourage the best and healthiest seedlings. Well, those are my 5 tips for successful seed starting, but I'd love to hear yours. Please leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much to Troy Build Canada. Happy seeding!